everyone's getting money on YouTube and getting money on Tubi, but no one ever asked, how do we get paid? You get paid off the ads. Well, how much does YouTube actually get for an ad? And how much of the money do we get from that? Well, last quarter, YouTube made $6 billion in ad revenue off of ad creators or content creators, and they only paid out $125 million. So that's basically saying you're getting about $1 off of every $600 made. And it's crazy to me because the reason why I've never really approached YouTube, number one, I don't trust Leor Cohen. And really. But number two, I'm like, it doesn't make sense to get 1 million views and make $7,000. Someone's getting robbed. So I've always only used YouTube as promotion. But what I was able to do, I when I first launched my first app, I was like, you can't make money from the paid subscription. No one has, And streaming is like looked at like cable TV when you pay for a subscription. Mm-hmm. When you don't pay for a subscription like Tubi, that's like, free TV, like, NBC, and that's always bigger. But you can't have a network unless you have ads, unless you're getting paid from the ads. So let me just put it to you like this. Let's say YouTube and Tubi are getting it from Pablo. Mm-hmm. I went around them, and now I get the ads from Pablo. Mm. So I get 100% of the ad. So whoever, like whatever you're making on YouTube, when you come on my network, you will make 100x. But I just want, and I'm curious, all these people that are on YouTube talking about how smart and entrepreneurial they are, how are you letting yourself get robbed where it most counts? You never ask how much of that ad rev do I get, that BPM. Mm-hmm. How much of the ad do you get, and how much? No one asked that, but I do, because I was never really approaching it in that way. Other than I look at them as my competition. I'm not working for them. They gotta work for me or get down and lay down. Yep. So it's a bigger game that I've been playing. I don't think people understand the game because when I talk to people, no one understands anything about ad rev. So now I'm like, I got to teach the people that are teaching about how you really supposed to get paid. Yeah. So you could do all this talk, but you only getting $7,000 every time 1 million people see you. You're getting robbed.